We've received a fantastic question from one of our viewers about whether you can download the Meta Business Suite inbox to get information on how many messages a page receives each month. Let's go into the Meta Business Suite now and see if that's possible and answer the question. All right, so here we are in the inbox section of the Meta Business Suite, and we are going to go up to the right-hand corner and click on the little gear button for the settings. What this is then going to do is take us through to the settings section. And we can see here that there are a couple of different options we can choose from. We've got suggestions, calls, get more messages, messaging. So unfortunately, we can't see how many messages have been sent to the page in a particular point in time. However, if you do want to download those ones, there is an option to do it directly from your Facebook page. So I'm going to jump over to my Facebook page, Paid Advertising Help, and I'm going to scroll down until I see the settings button on the left-hand menu bar. I've clicked that button now, and what we want to do is look for the left-hand menu bar, and we want to scroll down until we can see the Download Your Information button. Click on that, and this is going to take you through to a place where you can download the messages which you have received in a particular point in time. If it's just the messages you want to receive, unselect the other options underneath it, so it's just the messages, and just select the date range in which you want that information to be chosen for. So let's say you want to have it done for the last month. And once you have selected that option, you can click on the Request to Download button, and that is then going to start downloading the information, and a copy of the profile's information is going to be created. So to answer your question, plain and simple, no, you can't do it directly out of the Meta Business Suite for downloading the Messenger conversations. However, you can download it directly off of your Facebook page. So there is still an opportunity for you to get that valuable information. I hope you found this video useful, everybody. If you did, hit that like button down below and consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. And have a fantastic day, everybody.